So hello, what's up guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to make an analog digital watch which is made up of pure HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Here you can see that it is a real-time watch. If you want the source code, it is present in the portfolio. The link of the portfolio will be given in the about section of the YouTube or the description of this video. So let's get started. So let's start our code by using the HTML boilerplate code. Give the title analog digital watch. Watch. Now link the CSS file. Your CSS file have been linked here. Here first we will import our font icon link. Copy, I'll paste it here, and next we will take the main tag. In this main tag we will give margin 0, padding will be 0, box sizing will be border box. Save it. Let's check with the HTML file. Let's take a body. In the body we have to first take a class clock with a div. Next we have to take a div with a class digital. In the digital class we have also take a style of minus CLR. We have to give you a color of hash FF 2972. So save it. Now in this digital we have to take a class of screen. Enter it. Right here give the data text. Data text of hours. Okay, sorry. We have to just give the data text of hours. Save it. Now next we have to take a div with a class time. Dot time. Enter it. Next we have to take a div with ID hash hours ID hours. Save it. Then in the same way we have to do for the hours, minutes and seconds. We have to copy this whole digital one and paste it 3 times. Next we have to change the data text from hours, from now minutes to seconds. 7. We have to also change the ID, minutes, seconds. Save it. We have to also change this color. The minutes color will be hash FEE 800. And the hours color will be 04 FC 43. Save it. Now let's go ahead. We have to take on the another digital class. In the main clock class we have to take the another digital class. Check it properly. We have to take in the main clock class dot digital. In this digital class we have to take three classes of box. Dot box. You have to give the ID of R and give the style color, style minus CLR. And we have to give the color of RCA. I'll copy it here, hash control. Let's check is there any mistake here. Okay, in the same way we have to take for the hours, minutes and seconds. For the clock, hours, minutes and seconds, change the color, copy it, paste it here, copy the seconds color and paste it in the place of seconds, save it. Now we have to take another div for AMPM, hash AMPM. Okay, let's save it. Let's go to the CSS file. In the CSS file, you have to go to the body tab and give you have to go to the body tab and give display flex, line item, center, justify content will be center, height will be 100 VH, background color will be background hash ACBA CA, ACBA CA, BA CA. Okay, save it. Let's go to the next class, clock dot clock dot clock, because it is a class. Here we have to give the position will be relative, display will be yes, and we will give the gap of 20 pixel. Save it. Now let's go to the digital by crawling in dot clock dot digital. For this class we have to give the position relative, width of 120 pixel, width of 120 pixel, height of 120 pixel, height of 120 pixels. Save it. We have to give display flex, line item, center, justify content will be center. We will give the background of hash C9D5 C9D5 C0. Save it. Okay, now let's go ahead for giving the border radius. You have to give the border radius of 30 pixel. Save it. Now we have to give the box shadow of 20 pixel, 20 pixel, 20 pixel, minus 10 pixel, RGBA. You have to put 0, 0, 0, 0.15. Save it. Then the next line we have to give inset of 15 pixel, 15 pixel, 15 pixel, 10 pixel, RGBA of 255. We have to give inset of 15 pixel, 15 pixel, 15 pixel, 10 pixel, RGBA of 255, 255, 255, 0.5. Save it. Now we have to go ahead for giving the shadow of minus 15 pixel, minus 15 pixel, 35 pixel, RGBA. We have to give the RGBA of 255, 255, 255, 0.35. Save it. Then we have to go ahead in the next line. We have to give out minus 6 pixel. Wait, we have to give inset of minus 1 pixel, minus 1 pixel, minus 1 pixel, minus 1 pixel, 10 pixel, RGBA of 0, 0, 0, 0.2. Save it. Okay. Now let's go for the screen class by crawling in dot clock dot digital dot screen. Let's check where is our screen class. Either this class or screen class, and copy it and paste it. Okay. Put a single E from there, copy it, paste it. Okay. Now in the screen layer class, we have to give the position of absolute instead of 20 pixel, instead of 20 pixel background of hash 15 2b4a 2b4a. Save it. Now let's go ahead for the border radius, and we have to give the border radius of 20 pixel and give the box shadow. We will copy the above box shadow and paste it here below. Just we will change the numbers. We will first properly arrange this. Wait for 2 minutes. I will properly arrange it. Okay. Wait for 2 minutes. Because of my format document, this all they are coming in the straight line. I will first arrange this properly, then only you can know how to arrange it. Okay, I will give you a tab for arranging them. We will go ahead. We have to give the border box shadow of 20.5 pixel. The next will also be 5 pixel, and let's go ahead. We have to give 15 pixel, 0, 15 pixel here, 0. We have to give the direct color of hash 15 2b 15 2b 4a 56 and 66. Save it. Now let's go ahead. We have to give inset of 5 pixel, 5 pixel, 5 pixel, and we have to give RGBA of 0.35. okay, now let's go ahead. We have to give offset minus 6 pixel, minus 6 pixel, and 10 pixel, and we have to give the same RGBA of 1, and remove the remaining part of this. Okay, save it. Now let's go ahead for the screen before. Now we have to use the before class by calling in dot clock digital dot screen before. In this before tab we have to give content of attribute data text. Next we have to give position of absolute, bottom of minus 21 pixel, left 50%, transform translate x of minus 50, minus 50%, and scale of 0.75. give letter spacing 0.1. okay, now let's go ahead. We have to give color of hash paper 3. Let's go ahead. We will give text transform uppercase. Let's go to the next class of dot time dot clock dot digital dot time. Now in this time class we have to give the position of this time class will be absolute, inset will be 0, display will be flex, align item center, justify content will be center. okay, let's go for the div which is present in the class time by crawling dot clock dot digital dot time and the div. For this div we have to give the position relative and give the font size of 2.9 rem, and we have to give the color of variance of -1 CLR. This color will come from the index.html which are given here. All three colors will come in the CSS file. Now next we have to give the letter spacing of 0.1 em, and we have to give the margin left of 0.1 em. okay, save it. Now let's go ahead. We have to go for the dot clock dot digital dot digital nth child property, nth child, nth last child, which is second one. We have to make the changes of in dot time div. In this we have to give the color transparent and give -webkit of text stroke of 2 pixel, where of CLR. Save it. okay, now let's go ahead. we have to give dot clock dot digital last child property. In the last child we have to add before. In the last child we have to add the before tag. We have to take the empty empty string. Position will be absolute. After that, give width of 4 pixel, height of 4 pixels, save it. After that, we have to give background of hash 152b 4. Next, we have to give border of 2 pixel solid hash triple F. We have to give a solid hash triple F. Give z index of 111. After that, give border radius of 50%. Save it. Now we have to give the after property for the last digital last child dot clock dot digital last child. After in this after property, you have to take the empty content. The content will be empty string. After this empty string, we have to give the position of this container will be absolute. Insert of 20 pixel. Give background of hash 152b 4a 2b 4a. Okay, save it. Now next we have to go for the border radius of 50%. Border radius of 50%. We have to give box shadow of 5 pixel 15 pixel 0 RGBA of 255 comma 255 comma 0.35. Save it. Next we have to give inset of 5 pixel RGBA of we have to give here to 35 pixel. Copy and paste this below and remove this above RGBA tag one. And you have to give your color of hash 152b 4a66. Save it. And next we have to go for we have to give you a comma. So give you a comma. Next we have to give -6 pixel 10 pixel RGB of 255 comma 255 comma 1. Okay, save it. The same way we have to give the also give the comma here. After finishing each one, I have to give the comma here and save. Hit enter. Okay. Now let's go ahead. We have to go for the class box. In the class box, we have to give the position will be absolute, insert of 0, give border radius of 50%, and z index of 4 times 1. After that we have to take the box and put after property to it, and the content will be empty string, position will absolute, left will be 50%, bottom will be 50%, transform translate x of minus 50%. After that give width of 2 pixel, height of 30 pixel, background and where minus CLR, give border radius of 4 pixel, save it. Now we have to give the property of nth child to the box, class box dot box nth child. First we will take the first child and put after property 8 to it, give height of 20 pixel, width of 4 pixel, save it. Give background color of minus CLR, save it. After that we have to give the same property for the child number 2 for the box. Just we have to change the height of from 20 to 25 pixel and width of 4 to 3 pixel, save it. Now we have to give the CSS for the ID of AM PM, and the position will be absolute, give bottom 0, give border radius, give left of 50%, left 50%, transform translate y, transform translate x of minus 50%, and give scale of 0.75, save it. After that we have to give color of hash 333 and give letter spacing of 0.1 em. Let's go for the JavaScript. In the index of HTML, above the ending of the body tag, we have to take a script tag. In the script tag, take let r equals to document dot get element by id r. The same way we have to do for the minutes and seconds. Minutes, seconds, and the last for the AMPM. Save it. First step, your minutes, the seconds, and hours. Okay. Next, we have to take the HR. Let HR equals to document dot query selector hash HR. We have to do for minute and seconds. Let's check. We have all the same classes here. Now let's go ahead, make a function set interval, let it equals to new get hours, let m equals to new date dot get minutes, is equals to new date dot get seconds, where am equals to h is greater than equal to 12, then pm else am. Okay, save it. Now here we have to convert 24 hours. And we have to convert the 24 hours clock to 12 hour clock. Save it. If h is greater than 12, then h is equals to h minus 12. Save it. Now next we have to do add 0 before single digit, number. Okay, save it. The next line we have to give h is equals to h less than 10, take 0 plus h else h. If h is less than 10, then take 0 in the front or take only h if h is greater than 10. In the same way we have to do for the minutes. For minutes, and same for the seconds. Wait, they mistake the for minutes, and same for the seconds. Save it. Now let's go. We have to put all the inner HTML. R dot inner HTML equals to h minutes dot inner HTML equals to m seconds dot inner HTML equals to s am pm dot inner HTML equals to am. R dot style dot transform equals to rotate and we have to write rotate in z at $h plus 30 degree. Next thing we have to do for the minutes and seconds. Marks, and we will write minute, and you have to write seconds. Rotate z minutes, and seconds, and here will be write multiply by 30 multiply by 6, and here multiply by 6. Save it. Here we will go live here. So here our project is ready. Please like this video, subscribe our channel, and don't forget to share it. If you want the source code, it is present in the portfolio. The link of the portfolio will be given in the about section of the YouTube or the description of this video.